Okay, next one is what? Email. Okay, you know already what is email? Electronic mail. Okay, so we are going to send some data. So that is what? Exchanging of the messages, that is between the what? E-devices. Okay, so what are the types of email? Online mail communication, that is web mail. Okay, offline mail communications. Okay, so it is a method exchanging. It is the method of exchanging messages between e-devices. And so it is classified into the following two types. Okay, that may be the first online. Next one is what? Offline. You know, in the LAN we can also chat. Okay, without internet. So the first one is what? Online mail communication. Okay, in the online mail communication, do you know that is what? Web mails. Okay, these are what? Web mails. These are what? Web-based accounts. Okay, means a web-based account. These are all web-based accounts. What are the web-based accounts? Example, we already use. That is what? Gmail. Okay, Gmail, Yahoo, Rediff. Okay, Hotmail, Rediff. Okay, Rediff Mail, AOL, America Online. Okay, etc. Also, when you have Shymail. Okay, and lot of things are there. Okay, that is what? Online. Next one is what? Offline. Offline mail. Offline mail communication. In telnet we are going to use means a telnet. No, on any LAN there is a one software messages their application small. We can chat with the in LAN also. Okay, so that is offline communication. So offline mail communication, that is what? POP. Okay, that's use the POP services. Okay, you can use Microsoft Office or Microsoft Outlook. Okay, microservices like a post office protocol. Okay, POP means post office protocol. Okay, so it is offline mail. It's a offline mail system. Okay, so here that is use what? MS Outlook, that is Express, MS Outlook Express. Next one is what? Mozilla Thunderbird. Okay, then third one is what? Lot of there, GNU Mail, etc. Right? That is POP services. Okay, POP means post office protocol. Okay, so this basic thing you must have to know this one. Okay, online offline mail. Okay, then next is what? SMTP. Okay, SMTP protocol. That is what simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, simple mail transfer protocol, or you can say here that is also known as what, cross mail domain communication. Okay, so SMTP, we are going to use SMTP when we send a Gmail mail. Okay, simple mail transfer protocol, or you can say the cross mail communication. Okay, cross mail domain communication. Then next you have the MIME. Okay, multimedia protocol, multimedia. So this is what multi-purpose internet mail extension. Okay, multi-purpose internet mail extension, multi-purpose internet mail extension, or this protocol you can say, MIME means when we are going to send a mail with attachment. That is very important. Okay, SMTP is simple mail. Okay, but if you are sending the mail with attachment, so that means we are using what, MIME. Okay, so here we can, or you can say, can send any kind of attachment over the mail, over email. Okay, then what is web browser? The web browser sends the HTTP request, okay, to the server. So web browser is what? It's a lightweight software, and it's take the response. It's take the request from what, client, and send to the server, and from the server it's take the response and give to the client. Okay, so web browser. Okay, what is web browser? It is a client side. Okay, it's a client side lightweight software. Okay, so it takes HTTP request from client to server, and it renders HTTP response from server to client. Okay, so any browser you can open. Okay, this is what one of the browser is opening. Okay, this is one of the browser. Whenever you are going to write anything, okay, so that is what, HTTP request. Okay, that is what the browser is sending, the HTTP request. Okay, HTTP request. Okay, this is what HTTP, right? That sending the HTTP request from the client to the server. That is what HTTP request, and the server give the response again to the client. Okay, that is what the word is used, render. So okay, use this word render because we are going to use this word render in our Django framework. Okay, that is very important. Okay, render. Okay, renders keywords, we are going to use that one, right? So the response is giving from this way. Okay, now next one. Okay, that is what web browser. Mm, so what are the types of web browser we know? First one is what? Already know, that is what, Google Chrome. Second, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, we always use the browser. That is very important. Okay. I, or you can say nowadays you can say that is Edge, ADG. Okay, Edge browser, Opera or Mini Opera. Okay, next one is Apple Safari, the browser. Okay, then Torch web browser. How many know about this one? Okay, keep it in mind in your mind. Let us understand this one. How many of you know? Okay, those browser, if you know, then Google it and you can use it. Okay, Torch web browser, then Line web browser. Okay, so I am giving you guarantee because before that one you have not heard these names. Okay, some like a Torch, Leon, you know. So go to the Google and check that one. So something new things you are going to learn here. Okay, next one. Then we talk about what URL, URN. Okay, what is URL? What is URN? Right? So URN means what? Okay, URN. So when in the go for what Postman or API testing. Okay, API testing that the tool is used. That is what Postman. So that time that is very important. What is URN, URL? Okay. So URI, URL all are same. Okay, URN means what? Uniform. Okay, if you ask you any question regarding what is the difference between URN, URI or URL? Okay, nothing. Everything is same. Everything is same. Okay, uniform resource uniform resource name. Okay, R R URI. Sometimes you can say the URI. That is what uniform resource identifier. Identifier. Okay, identify uniform resource identifier. Okay, or these terms are very important. Okay, uniform resource name or URI or uniform resource identifier or URL. Okay, uniform resource, what is that? L is locator, right? I think you know this one, uniform resource locator. Okay, so now let us take the example. Okay, how we can identify this? Okay, what are the parts are available in identifier means uniform URL. Okay, so take this one website first. Okay, and this is what site. HTTP is what? HTTPS. A stand for secure protocol. HTTPS. Okay, hypertext transfer secure protocol. Okay, hypertext transfer secured. Next, HTTP. Okay, HTTP means what? Or HTTPS means that is what? Sending the request. Okay, so what is meant by HTTP? It's a common language between what? Client and server. Simple word. Okay, what is HTTP? It's a HTTP means it's a what? Common language. It is a common language between, it's a common language between the client and server. Okay, client and server. It's a common language between the client and server. If you have any other technical definition, you can say it's not a definition. Okay, it's understandable statement. Okay, HTTP is sending, that is a protocol sent to the server, request sent to the server. Okay, so you can say that is a common gateway between the server and client. Okay, so you can understand this language and you can give the response to like this way. Okay, so or we can say it's a what hypertext hypertext transfer. Okay, transfer protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, and S stand for what? Secure. Okay, secured. Whenever you are going to do the payment online, let us always check ACE is available or not. Okay, HTTP प्रोटोकॉल में चेक करना है हमेशा हमको कि यस अवेलेबल है कि नहीं जब भी आप हम ऑनलाइन पेमेंट करते हो तो सो दैट इज ए स्टैंड फॉर सिक्योर सो यूज गिव द सर्टिफिकेट SSL. ओके, SSL. नेक्स्ट. Okay, S means what? That is what SSL. Okay, so that is what SSL. You can say what? Secure socket layer. Okay, SSL certificate that is required for the websites. Okay, so here you can see here I have the SS connection is secured. I have also the this certificate, secured certificate. Okay, that is very important, right? Next. So that is what is. So here just I'm going to remove that one. You can see the yes and HTTP. I'm going to cut paste from here. Okay, right. So S stand for SSL, right? Now next one is what? In that URL there is a what? Some notation key are there. Okay, means what? Some tokens are there. Okay, this one. So what you can say this one? What is this? Okay, what is this? Colon and double slash. Okay, what is the technical term for this one? Special character like this, right? These are the some special characters, you know. So what is the name? Do you know what you can say? This one colon and double slash special characters are here. You can say there is a one special name is there. Okay, yes. Do you know what you can say? This one colon and double slash. Yes, don't know. Okay, you know the special character? Yeah, special characters. These are what special character, okay. But also we have the one special name, okay. Always keep in your mind that is very important. What is that? Delimiter, okay. Delimiter, okay. It's a delimiter, right? Very new term, okay. Very important terms. So this is what delimiter, okay. This character sets are known as what delimiter, okay. Then www, okay. So here is what www, right? Then what is www? It's a what default domain. It's what default domain or subdomain, or it's optional sometime, okay. And we know what is www, world wide web, okay. It's optional, okay. Sometimes it will see, sometimes not, okay. Then next one is what? There is a what dot, okay, you know, dot com, dot in something. So what is this here? Dot means in a special character, you know what we say? That is what period, okay, decimal point or special character. Yeah, period means the special character, okay, special character. What is the use of this one? To embed. Okay, to embedded domains. Okay, to embedded the domains, right? To embedded the domains, right? So .com, .in, whatever. After the dot, there will be the in dot something. Okay. So now, what is the ConnectSoft Infotech here? www. Then here. Okay. HTTP is the protocol, yes, for the secure. Okay. Then this one is what? Delimiter. After that, there is a www World Wide Web. That is what? Optional or subdomain. There is a one dot. Dot is for what? Period or special character. Okay. After that, there is what? This one. Okay. What is this? It's a primary domain. Okay. Primary level domain. Okay. It's called what? Primary level domain. It's a primary level domain. Okay, PLD, right? It's known as PLD. Next one is what? In. Okay, in is for what? Top level domain. Okay, it's what? Top level domain. Okay, top level domain. You can say TLD. So they may be the .com, .in, .org, .gov, .in like this way. Okay, it's a top level, primary level domain, top level domain. Okay, this is about, oh, something information about the domain. Also the query parameters are there. Okay, in detail if you go for the API testing, so you understand the domain again. Okay, API level of testing, query parameters. Okay, like this way. Next, so now what is web page? What is web page? It is an e-pages. We can say it is an what? E-page. Develop in what? HTML. Okay, develop in what? HTML. Because all these sites are developed in HTML. As a front is compulsory. Okay, HTML is compulsory for designing, right? CSS is for what? Customization. JavaScript is for giving the some logical support to the HTML and CSS document. Okay, so every web pages are developed in HTML. Okay, in Django also we have to use the HTML for designing. Every framework we have to use what? HTML as a front end. Okay, now what is website? Collection of all the web pages, we can say the website. Okay, collections of web pages is called website. Okay, we are going very slow. Okay, let us understand the everything. Advanced concept is going to be start, then directly Django how to create our first project in the Django. Okay, then next thing, what? Scripting. Then what is meant by the scripting? Some scripting language, JavaScript. Okay, HTML, CSS is designing. HTML is for what? Designing. CSS is for what? Customization, color. Okay, look and feel. Scripting is for logical validation. Okay, so it is what? Lightweight programming. Okay, it is lightweight programming. It is classified to the following type. Okay, what are the types of scripting language? Client side scripting and server side scripting. Client side scripting means JavaScript. Okay, client side scripting. server side scripting. Okay, client side scripting and server side scripting. Okay, so introduction to the HTML. Introduction to HTML. Okay, know the some tags. Okay, what is HTML? Hypertext markup language. It's a scripting language. It's not a language, it's a scripting. It is used to design static web pages. Okay, just the introductory part we are taking, don't worry. Now, what is the HTML? It's a hypertext markup. Okay, markup language. Hypertext markup language is the standard. So standard languages to design static web pages. Okay, hypertext means what? Hypertext means scripting. Okay, so that is what specially designed for English language. Okay, that is what specially SIGN English specially designed English language for web browser. Okay, for web browser. Specially designed the English language for what? Web browser. Okay, hypertext markup means marks means left right angular bracket. Okay, markup language. Okay, markup like this. Okay, hyper linking the text. Okay, markup that is concorded with tags. Okay, markup means encoded with the tag. Okay, markup language. Indicating that is indicating with okay tag left angular bracket and right angular bracket. Okay, left and right angular bracket for every English word. Okay, so there are the tags in HTML. Okay, but in the HTML you can write anything. Okay, hello, if you written here inside the tag, so it will not display on the web page because hello is not a standard tag. First of all, whatever you are going to write inside the tags, that is not going to be display. Those who are the standard tag in the HTML, that is going to be perform the operation on text. Okay, so but we are going to write here what hello tag. Okay, so nothing is going to be happen here. Okay, as it is, this concept is going means is going to be display, right? Because there is not a standard tag. Okay, so whatever the English we are going to write inside the tag, that is what we can say the markup language. Okay, then what are the features? Okay, features of HTML. Okay, no features. What do you know about HTML? HTML is what? Front-end language. Okay, we are going to design the static web pages. It is a simple, okay, easy to understand, simple to understand, simple to understand, easy to implement. Then no programming knowledge required. Okay, no programming language is required. Next feature, what we can say, no technical degree is mandatory, right? No technical degree is mandatory. Next, it is supported by the all the web browser. All web browser. Fully programmer friendly language. Okay. Then easily you can understand. It's open source. Next, consistent and efficient. Consistent and efficient. Okay, what are the some limitation for the HTML? Any limitations? What are the limitations? We have some limitations also. What is the limitation? We can design only what? Static. Okay. That also there will be the lengthy coding. Okay. Maybe that will be some lengthy coding. Then no security also. So to reduce the lengthy coding, so we use what framework directly. Okay. We use directly frameworks. So limitation, we can design only static web pages. Okay, you can design only static web pages. Then something lengthy programming, very lengthy. Then no security also. Okay, so all the websites, they use the HTML as a front end, but not a completely HTML. They use additional programming they use. Okay, in every web applications, right? Server side, everything, SSL, everything. Okay, SSL means certificate of secure, right? Then you know the history of HTML. Okay, history of HTML. Okay, when it is invented, 1989. Okay, first of all, it's not was HTML. It's what a GML. Okay, it's a GML language. Okay, GML stand for what? Generalized markup language. Okay, generalize. Some detail history I am giving. Okay, generalize markup language. Okay, next in in 1991. Okay, so it's given the name as what? SGML. Okay, SGML. Okay, that given the name as what? SGML. Okay, that is what just standard is added. Okay, standard. standard generalized markup language. Okay, standard generalized markup language. Next in 1994, then HTML given the name. Okay, as a name as what? HTML, hypertext markup language. Okay, hypertext. Okay, then after that at 1998, then one language is added. Okay, so that is what? Extended hypertext markup language. That is a combination of HTML plus XML. 1998. HTML plus XML. That is what? XHTML. Okay, so the word is what? Extended. Okay, extended hypertext markup language. Next, so now extended hypertext markup language. Extensible. Okay, extensible. XML means extensible markup language. So that is what is SMS means extensible SMS, MMS, email, web services, everything. This comes under XHTML. Okay, XML means extensible. Okay, extensible markup language. So then, what is the difference between the HTML and XML? That is very important again. What is the difference between the difference between XML and HTML? Okay, here XML, HTML. Okay, so here in the XML, user defined the tags are available. Okay, user defined means we can define the tags. User defined the tags. User can define their own tags. Okay, but HTML, only predefined tags are there. Okay, predefined tags. Next one, it's a lowercase. XML, that is only in lowercase. Okay, but in HTML, that is what? Any case. It's not a case sensitive. Uppercase or lowercase. Okay, next is what? XML is for what? What is the purpose of XML? XML is for what? Communication. That is for what? Communication. HTML is for what? Designing the static web page. That is used for what? To design static web pages. Designing for the static web pages. Okay, there are just some important things. What is the difference? Short difference about HTML and XML. Okay, after that in 2008 there is a one version is uh, came, that is what HTML5, 2008 some tags are added. Okay, HTML5. So that is for what? Advanced hypertext markup language. Advanced hypertext markup language. Advanced hypertext markup language. That is for what? What is the purpose for this one? For better web page designing. Okay, to design the better web pages. To design better web pages. Okay. Next in 2016. Okay, that is latest one. HTML 5.1 is released. Okay, HTML 5.1 is released. That is also the advanced hypertext markup language that is designed for what? For all gadgets. Gadgets and widgets. That means what? Gadget and widgets means that is some e devices, small e devices, or you can say the smart devices, small gadgets. Okay, then now it's going on. Okay, now then the question is what? Define tags. What is mean by tag then? Define tag. Okay, what is tag? That is what the text we are going to place inside the what? Open angular bracket and close angular bracket. That is what you can say a tag. Okay, the tag is what? The text place between left angular bracket and right angular bracket. Brackets. It's called what? Tag. Right. Next. So what is the syntax? Okay. What is you are going to write inside that one? That is what tag. Okay. Left angular bracket and right angular bracket. That's it. Okay. Example. HTML. Okay. Next. What are the types of the tags? Okay. What are the types of tags? Pair tag, non-pair tag, pair tag and non-pair. Okay, pair tag, non-pair tags. Okay, we'll see this one in the next class. Okay, what are some tags? Then we are going to see what is the basic structure of HTML. one small program HTML, one small just a program for HTML. Okay. Oh, then what is comment? Everything multi-line comment, single line comment. What are the sections available in HTML? Okay, I will explain that one. What is a doc type?